There they go.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System has been designed to provide the...
Let's see if WTAM did it. Nope.
The Ohio Emergency Alert System.